Wait, when you...
Carly is about to go fishing. Those worms. She's gonna rip one apart right now to put it on her hook, which is right here. This lake. We just got here. We left our parents.
Okay, biography.
Biography. Okay. Cameron. Let's see. Ew.
Okay, I'm gonna
What?
tear it apart. No, I don't want to tear it apart, though.
Is that a fish on it?
What?
On there?
No.
Ew.
They don't tear apart. Oh my God, Kim. What?
Poor worms. They're alive. It was still moving. Look at that one, Carly. It's huge. Here.
Oh my God. Oh.
It's tangled. What?
This is nasty, Dad.
You're putting it on.
Yo, just turn off the camera. This is disgusting. Did you turn it off?
No.
Please.
Here. Oh, you touched me. Whatever you do not let go of the pole if you catch something.
Keely, I need your help.
What happened?
Can you pull the light in? Keely!
Oh God, Carly.
Please?
Professional up in here.
Kaylee! Oh my God, Kaylee.
Alright, how do you put it out?
What happened, Cam?
Can you put this plane in? Ow!
What happened, buddy?
I said the line.
I am pulling the line.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Please, can you turn off the camera?
Here.
Okay, bye.